my name is Samantha and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be doing another project panel. This time it's a Christmas storybook. Let's get into it. Here is a view of the whole storybook. We've got 6 pages. I don't remember where I got this. I definitely did not purchase it full price like at Hobby Lobby or Joann's or anything. I got it at a thrift store. But we are going to follow the instructions and put this together, and I think this will be such a fun project. I want to embroider it somewhere. It says this book belongs to you. I don't know if I'm going to keep this for myself or give it as a gift. But I do want to embroider it somewhere with like 2023 and my name, like made by Samantha or handmade with love or something. I think like made by Samantha and the year, and I think that would be really cute. I don't know the best place to put it. Maybe on the front here, there is that border, so I could embroider, and I don't want it to be like super big, so maybe like here in the stars I could embroider it. Nothing large, just small, and like put my name on it. Along with the panel, what else we are going to need is 1 yard of flat batting, 45 inches wide. So I'm going to use fusible fleece for this project. So let me go ahead and get that panel embroidered and get this cut up, and we'll get started. Here is our project panel, and here is the fusible fleece. So steps like 1 through 14 here, it looks like we are just cutting them out and adding a piece of interfacing and placing different ones together, sewing them just like we did with the placemats or the coasters, and then turning them right side out. And let's see what these additional steps over here are. Let's see here. Yeah, so this is when we start then placing the pages together. So let me go ahead and I want to say it's steps 1 through 14. Let me get these steps done, get stuff cut out, and then we'll go from there. So these, I wanted to show you this real quick, are definitely not straight. I don't know if this is how it was originally printed or if it's meant to give like a whimsical look, or if it, you know, in washing it this happened, but I was going to try and give a 1/4 of an inch around for a little excess, but I don't know. We'll see how that works out. We are about to do steps 1 through 13 here. So here I need to put some batting on the book cover. So we've got the batting, the book cover, and then 1 and 10 facing right side. So this is a sandwich. The next one is to put batting on 9-2. So 9-2 batting. And then on top of 9-2, you put 3/8. So 3/8. That's a sandwich. And then the last one is put it on 7-4, and then 7-4 and 5-6, 7-4 and 5-6, and we've got batting, so we've got another sandwich right here. So I'm going to go ahead and stitch all of these together, leave an opening, and then we can move on to step 15, which is turn right side out through opening and push out corners and press, and then we can start placing the pages together. So before I trim and turn, I'm checking to make sure that I caught all the edges. So I'm just going through here, making sure I got all the edges. I'm cutting the corners, and then I'm trimming this down on each of the 3 sides. And then where the opening is, I'm just going in from right here and trimming this side, but leaving this part long. Here are our pages. They have been clipped and turned right side out, and you know for a fact we did not slip stitch. That's not happening. So these 2 I did in white, and then this guy I ended up changing to navy. So now we are on to the last 3 set of steps. Let's see here. So we're going to place the book cover on a flat surface with pages 1 and 10 facing up. So 1 and 10 facing up. Notebook cover is slightly larger than the book pages. Center page section 9-2 and 3/8 on flat on top of 110. Page 3/8 will be facing up. So this is 3/8. So 3/8 is facing up I'll adjust that later. Let's see here. Place remaining section 7456. So that's this guy, 7456. Flat on top of cover first, and 5-6 will be facing up. So 5-6 facing up. Again, I'll adjust that in a moment. Let's see here. At this point, pages sequence of your book should read in numerical order, based on the center line through all the thicknesses, machine stitch on the center line. So it says baste it and then do it tighter. And I'm going to leave this in the blue stitches. So I have my iron right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take each page and I'm going to fold it in half and get a center crease and then line them up, and I'll pin them before we stitch it. I went ahead and ironed, like I said, marked these center points, and then laid all of the pages within. And I went ahead and double checked. You know, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now it is to stitch down. I still have the blue thread. I'm cool with the blue being down the middle here. I'm going to lengthen my stitch length, and I'm going to take it real slow because this is a lot of fabric, and I think that I'm going to start like here and end here. I definitely do not think I'm going to do the entire book. Like, this is saying do the entire thing. I do not think that my machine can handle this up here. I mean, this is, so 3, 6, 9. This is 9 layers because they all have batting. I don't think that's going to work. So yeah, we are going to just do like from here to here, like before the lumps is my plan. Also, to help with my straightness of my stitching, I used a chopstick to mark the center, and then I used the disappearing ink side of my pen here to go ahead and mark a line. This actually worked really well. So I have a 5.0 stitch length. I have it right down the middle, and I started right here, like I said, where it was easier, went down, and then I back tacked a bunch of times over this so that it'll be nice and secure. And I did start with a lead piece, so I'm going to cut this off. I'm going to come this way. I'm going to back tack a bunch over here because I want this to stand the test of time. So I am going to go back over my stitches once again, and they look really good. So let me finish this up. Here's the final product. Oh my god, this is adorable. I love it so much. It was so easy too. So next week I will read this book to you and we'll see what it is page by page. We'll sit by the fire, sorry, not sit by the fire, sit by the tree and read it. But here is how my spine turned out. I think it turned out really well. I could have done better right there, but whatever. And then here is down the middle. So I think it turned out really well. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.